Hello, dear learners. Welcome to Spanish Learning with Aurora's World, the Wonder of Life. Let's start. Introduction to Spanish alphabet. Spanish alphabet has 27 letters that includes 22 consonants and 5 vowels. Spanish alphabet is called as el abecedario. A, A. B as B. C as say. T as they. E, A. F, FA. Hey. H, E. Hotta. K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, A, Z. Like this channel, please subscribe my channel and stay updated. Thank you.